Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your connection request timing for higher acceptance rates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn profile in a web browser. Navigate to the My Network tab at the top of the page. Click on Connections to view your existing connections. In the top right corner, locate and click on Manage. Look for the Connection Requests section. Here, you will find all pending connection requests. Take note of the dates when you sent these requests. This will help you understand your timing strategy. Next, consider the industry of the person you reached out to. Different industries may respond better at different times. For example, tech industry professionals may be more active during weekdays. Approach this by adjusting your outreach based on their activity patterns. Return to the main My Network section. Now, review the profiles of people you wish to connect with. Check their last activity date to gauge their engagement. If a profile shows recent activity, consider following up sooner. If not, give it more time before sending a new request. Make sure to personalize your requests. A tailored message increases your chances of being accepted. Remember to mention mutual connections or shared interests. After tweaking your connection requests, track their acceptance rates. Maintain a simple spreadsheet logging sent requests and their outcomes. Review these results periodically to refine your approach. Adjust the timing of your requests based on your findings. Experiment with sending requests during different days and times. This will provide you with insights into what works best. By continuously analyzing your connection request habits, you'll improve your acceptance rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.